Hey, it's Adam from JSB Automotive. We've got a Mitsubishi Colt here, a 2008 model, Rally Art, turbocharged little car. This is a zippy little thing. One of the side trims, the plastics have actually started to just change colour. It just looks a little bad. So what we're going to do today, we're going to sort it out. We've got ourselves a nice heat gun. Now, just simply switching it on and applying a bit of heat to the area, and you'll just start to see magically the white, the oxidization in the plastic is actually just going away. And then a couple of minutes, this will actually be looking like brand new. Even the one on the door up here, see there is a bit there. So we'll just hit that with the heat gun. And it literally just washes away. Almost like washing and polishing it. Really simple technique to do. Tidy your car up a bit. Make it look nice and tidy. Now this is the only trim on the whole car that actually looks like this. All the others were actually in good nick. So we're just doing this for one of our customers. He's come over, done a full service on the car. Literally the length of this video is going to be about 2.5 minutes. And in 2.5 minutes we're going to make this car look fantastic. There's not a lot of heat needed. This is on the high temperature setting. And you can see I'm just going over it. About 8 centimeters to 10 centimeters away from the car. It's not that far, but it's far enough just to start to bring the oils back out in the plastics. If you go too long, you will melt it. So be real careful doing this. And you'll see the finished product in just a second. Okay, so this is the final bit here. We'll just finish this off nicely. You can see the heat gun really works a treat. Brings the plastics up so that they're nice and done nicely. Instead of replacing those trims, she looks mint. And this is what the front one looks like. We haven't touched the front one. Front seat all in very, very good condition. Job done.